Hey, Chris from Bókun here. In this Bókun SEO crash course video, I'm going to discuss one of the top components of SEO, technical setup. If you like this content, I encourage you to subscribe, as in future videos, we'll dive deeper into the topics we discuss here today. There are a lot of factors that go into ranking high on search engines, but in this video, I'm going to focus on the top 4 factors that affect your search engine optimization, or SEO for short. These technical setup items are typically things you'll just need to get right once, and then you're set. If you're using a website builder or content management system, you'll want to make sure that the product comes out of the box with these areas addressed. For example, Bókun Websites checks all of the technical setup boxes for you. Let's get started on the list. First, how your website is structured is important. It needs to have a URL structure that is easily navigable, and URLs should be easy to understand. The site should be built following the current best practices for HTML and CSS. If you're unsure here, just make sure you're using a reputable agency or a modern website builder like the one that Bókun offers. The site needs to be easily crawled and indexed by search engines. In a previous video, we talked about how these are important components of how search engines work. You'll also want to tell search engines and visitors that your site is secure and safe to browse. You'll do this with SSL and by having an SSL certificate. This certificate tells the visitor and the search engine you have a secure connection, which means the information they share with the site is private. Google has confirmed that while they index sites that are not secure, SSL does play a factor in ranking. With more and more searches happening on mobile, it is crucial that your site is mobile responsive. When a website is responsive, it means the layout and the content adapt to the size of the screen that is accessing it. Having this in place greatly improves your visitor's experience. We've discussed previously that most searches are happening on Google. Google is ranking sites that are mobile optimized over sites that are geared towards desktop computers. Last but not least, speed is crucial. Site speed significantly improves your user's experience on your website, and it is incredibly important to your bounce rate and likely affects how long someone stays. Site speed also plays a factor in how search engines will rank your site, since fast sites are more likely to be useful to the searcher. And that's it. If you can check the boxes here, you're well on your way to having a great website setup that will help you rank higher in search engines.